Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about, if I can spit it out, will all of my debts be discharged if I file bankruptcy? And the answer is not always. I mean, do a lot of your debts get wiped out? Of course, but there are certain debts in bankruptcy as a society. We say, hey, these are too important to allow somebody to file bankruptcy on. We all know what they are, right? I mean, are you really going to let somebody file bankruptcy on child support? Really? I owe, the child support to the tune of 100 grand. You can't file a bankruptcy and get rid of your obligation on that, or nobody would ever pay child support, or a lot of people wouldn't. Okay. So there are debts that are not dischargeable in bankruptcy. And I think, like I said, when you think about what society thinks is important, fines and restitution, criminal stuff, right? I mean, if you could burn a place down, if you could commit arson and then be ordered to pay restitution but file bankruptcy, I mean, right? So as a society, we say you're not going to do that. There's some debts that the general rule is they are not dischargeable, but there's exceptions, like taxes, like student loans. Student loans, general rule is you can't discharge them. There is an exception. It's narrow. But sometimes it is allowed when the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back, you've had enough. Your family suffered enough. I think human beings, we suffer way too long. I know we do. I've seen it. Almost 3 decades of doing this. People suffer way too long. And the biggest regret we see, I should have filed this a long time ago. That's what people say. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm right here at Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.